So I'm going to the beach tomorrow and I decided to get these towels. Actually, I've had them for quite a while. I ordered them online from Australia and today's the first time I've opened them. And they're so beautiful, I thought I'd do an unboxing kind of video for it. So these are beautiful, colorful towels from Australia. They're wonderfully absorbent, and the nice thing about them is they're beautiful. Can you imagine having this on the beach? The nice thing about them is you can use them on both sides. So you use this today, then tomorrow you have an entirely different side to use. Talk about multifaceted. Beautiful, don't you think? Then, because I like black and white a lot, I decided to order this black and white towel online. I think it's pretty cool, pretty chic, just for the beach. Let me show you how it goes. Again, you have this back, which is very nice. Then you have this super strong geometric print in front. I think this goes very well with my dress, don't you think?